Hey guys, it's Dylan here. It's my day off here in Ohio. This is my father-in-law's truck. It's a 2004 Mercedes ML350. The problem we got with this truck is every once in a while the power steering reservoir O-ring goes bad and it'll start sucking air and cavitating, and the fluid leaks out. So we're gonna put a new O-ring in there and hopefully that'll take care of it for him. If not, we'll have to look into it further, but I just want to put a little video out there, show you how easy it was. We got him a whole bunch of O-rings, so every time we have to fix it, he just brings me the O-ring and I fix it for him. So, all right, there's the reservoir, guys. You can see the Torx right there. It's an inverted Torx. Right back there is where the leak comes to. And right there is the little clip. It's right there. That's a clip I gotta take out. And then this thing slides off, and I'll put a new O-ring on there, on this little piece here, and then put it back together. Sometimes you gotta improvise when you're working at home. This 8mm socket, turns out, fits right on that bolt there. So that's what I'm using. Couldn't find my Torx. I didn't want to go to the hardware store just for that. So it's better to let this cool down. This top hose is pretty warm, but it's all right. I'm gonna finish taking that bolt out and then I'm gonna take the clip off. All right, guys, now I'm gonna try to get that clip out with these needle nose pliers, okay? You don't wanna drop it. That's the key, okay? Just don't drop the clip. That's what the clip looks like. The pump just came off. The reservoir just came off a little. So then we're just gonna keep pulling it off, and you're gonna lose some fluid. Just tilt it up like this. O-ring goes right on here like that. This one's kind of flattened out now. We'll get a new one on there, and then we're gonna clean our mess up. Here we got the nice, fresh, soft O-ring. It's much better. Go and get some of that oil coated on there. Then you just slide that guy right on there, and then you just put it back together. Boom. Try to be quick, you won't lose all your fluid. All right, I got it back on there. Now I'm gonna try to get my clip back in it. You don't want to drop it going in either. Boom. Snapped into place. And you take this little Torx screw and you stick it back in here. And then you tighten it up, and then you get fresh fluid in it, and then you clean your mess up. I'm gonna snug that down, and then we're gonna clean it all up. That's what the little clip is. I use a flathead screwdriver to get it started out, and then I use my needle nose to grab a hold of it. Make sure this clamp's tight. It'll look like it's leaking in the same place. Hey guys, I got it all topped up now. Of course I spilled a little, so I'm gonna go and clean my mess up. All right. Now that I got my mess all cleaned up, I'm gonna dry it with a paper towel. All right, guys, you got it all fired up. It's running. You want to make sure nothing's leaking. It looks good so far. Right down here is where the fluid likes to build up when it leaks from that O-ring. It ends up right here. I hope this video is helpful, guys. All right, guys, got this ML350 taken care of today for the father-in-law. We had to put a new O-ring right here on this reservoir. Pretty straightforward job. I think anybody could take care of it. Just got to let the car cool down a little bit, and it's not too hard to take care of. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that subscribe button right here, and there's a couple videos over here you can check out. I'd appreciate it. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.